What's up, everybody? Welcome back here on the channel. Today we are gonna take a look at another 2024 Matchbox 5-pack. You know, a while ago I bought a bunch of these on sale and now we are through. This is the final one of 2024 that I bought. I mean, in the meantime, I already got some 2025 5-packs, so we're a little bit behind schedule. Now let's walk quickly through this 5-pack. I mean, I'm showing this as the last 5-pack of the ones that I bought because, I mean, let's be honest, it's not my favorite set. And if you take a look right here on the side, then you can see we only got one licensed model. I guess it's not too popular. This is the Matchbox Construction 3 set. This guy here is the one that's here on the packaging, the Tilt N Tip. And yeah, let's slide our models out and let's take a look at them. Our first one is from 2000. So this thing is pretty old. The Matchbox Bulldozer. I don't think I have any other version of this one here. Only the part here, the gray part in the middle, is metal. Of course, here nothing is moving. We get some kind of wheels here on the base, but this thing doesn't roll very well. But we can move this. I think it's called blade or something. I don't know. Yeah, that's it. It's a little bit of a strange color combination. This green, we also get some green engine details and the green interior here in the cabin. Don't know why that is, but yeah, I'm not an expert for construction vehicles, so let's put this guy into the parking lot. And yeah, let's go on with this one with the Tilt N Tip. As you can see, it comes in a what is that? Very bright turquoise and Central City Beach Services deco. The Dune Transport. This thing obviously has no interior, but the plastic part here on the back, we can move this thing, which is yeah, pretty cool. Into the parking lot it goes. Then we get to our only licensed model, which is the 2016 RAM Flatbed. We don't get any headlights, nothing on the back, and obviously this thing also doesn't have any interior, but yeah, we get some details here on the bed. A chain, a chainsaw, and kind of a tool bag. Does this say coal? Coal, whatever. Can't read that. I do have some other versions of this casting. Here, this thing in Matchbox Construction deco. Then we have the Matchbox Road Maintenance. As you can see, always without headlights, and yeah, that sometimes makes these things look a little bit poor. I think this one here is the coolest version with the bumper in gold and the skull on the side. Yeah, the only licensed model goes into the parking lot. Then the next one is the Water Worker. I also don't think that I have another version of this thing here. Well, huge wheels. From when is this casting? 2015. Yeah, it's the Water Worker. And Now let's get to the final one, which is the Matchbox Excavator. It comes also in this Central City Beach services deco. On the side it's saying the Dune Mover. What does it say on the base? Excavator. From 1980, retooled in 2017. So yeah, this thing can move a little bit. As you can see, we can move this part. The shovel itself doesn't move, of course, and yeah, it can turn. And the bulldozer, it has these wheels on the base, but normally, I mean, this this thing doesn't roll at all. But who cares? I guess not too many are really playing intensively with these things. So yeah. Well, that's it. That was the Matchbox Construction 3 5-pack. I'm always picking a favorite at the end of my video, and this time it's yeah, a little bit different. I mean, yeah, let's be honest, nothing too exciting. I would say this one is my favorite, the RAM Flatbed pickup truck in coal deco. And that's it. That's all there is to say. Thank you for watching. Happy hunting. See you next time. Bye.